Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna show you how I fix my frayed ends. Super simple. Don't need to replace your arms. They fray all the time. I got some 30-minute two-part epoxy right here. If you watched my other videos on epoxy, probably already know what I'm gonna do. Let's mix that together. Scrape it into a pile. Okay. The most important thing is not to get any epoxy on your motor, because it will fuck them up if you get them on the coils anyway. I don't even know if you can see me. I'm just getting it in the cracks there. Nice and good. Might be short on epoxy. I don't think so. I think we'll be okay. Alright, see that? Nice and full. Take my C-clamp. And squeeze the shit out of it. That's not good. See that? That little piece just broke off. Since that happened, I think we're still okay. Let's get that back on there. I'm gonna come in from the other way because I lost that piece and I'm peeling the other part back. I kind of want to keep that piece. Oh, I missed it. It's starting to pop back up. Let's readjust it there. Oh, Christ. Come on. Come on. There we go. That's where I want to be. There we go. I'm just gonna crank the shit out of it. Wipe my stick off here. Just gonna grab the extra, get rid of it. Less to sand tomorrow when it's dry. Might not even have to sand it at all. Might go be nice and good. Alright. Show you that in the morning. Alright, it's next day. Let's see what we got. That's really on there. One second. Come on, video. not too shabby. Let's hit it with a file quick. Beautiful. Just like new.